Do a little mudding. Gonna need sunglasses. Okay. Alright, this is our pasture, and we're doing a little riding here today. It has been raining hard for a couple of days, so even though part of this is fairly dry, there's some pretty wet sections back there. So we are liable to get just a bit on the muddy side, which was the point here. Then I'll have some cleanup to do, which will also be the point. All right, let's get through the fence. And so that the horses that are back here don't escape, I have to relock it. And now we get to go for a ride. And off we go. Back here. Well, the first thing that's down, a branch. Not that I couldn't ride over that, but why bother? Whoop. A few low hangers now because of the rain. All right, off we go. Oh, look at that. More stuff down. Alright, back to it. Stream looks pretty full. There we go. Branches came down in this last rainstorm. Now we will be riding through this sunken area over here shortly. which is all wet. That ought to be interesting. And of course there's a little water right here too. Woohoo! Needless to say, I've done this a few times, so I'm a little familiar with it. 2 ways to go here. I'm going to go this one. It's a big unit, so going through the trees is a little precarious. Now we're going to do the water run right through here. And here. And there. And we're going to go through this again. Option 2 here. And now what we're going to do is go the other way. See the path I've already drawn. We're going to hit it again. Woohoo! Mud. And oh yeah, we got this place a little muddy here. We're going to cross over this time through this here and then right through here. That was messy. Oh, this is messy now. Some more water. That's a pretty big branch came down. Got a bit of cleanup out here to do. Split the difference. pond. No problem going through it. I just wanted to go slow just for the effect. All right, one more time. Woohoo! For good measure. All right. Not a bad run. High horses. And surprisingly, with all the rain, it doesn't chew it up when we're out here. Just in that real muddy area. Clean her off. No, I'm not going to go through the pond. But first, let's take a look at what we've done here. Oh, I'd say we made it muddy, as well as me. That's all pretty muddy. Nice white Polaris Sportsman 1000 touring model. And I think we mudded it up. Okay, so now it's time for cleaning.